teacher for today's lesson. So for today, our topic is all about telling and writing time in minutes including AM and PM using analog and the digital clock. So are you ready to listen, class? Okay, let's start. So there are two types of clock. These are the analog and the digital clock. So I have here the picture. So this is the analog clock and the digital clock. So first, let's go. What is analog clock? Analog clock is a clock having the numbers from 1 to 12 or equivalent Roman numerals around its face and three distinct moving hands to show seconds, the minutes, and the hour. So for today, we'll be just focusing on two hands, for the minute hand and for the hour hand. So the other one is the digital clock. What is a digital clock? So a digital clock is a type of clock that displays the time digitally in numerals as opposed to analog clock. Digital clocks are often associated with electronic devices. So as you can see, this is the digital clock. So when we say digital clock, it specifically gives you the hour and the minute part. Okay, so why do we use clock? Okay, very good. We use clock to tell us time. As I said earlier, a clock has two hands. We call them the long hand and the short hand. So for I have here an instructional materials for you to understand our topic. Here, I have an improvised analog clock for you to understand the long hand and the short hand of the clock. The clock has a face and the hands, namely the short hand and the long hand. So first, let's identify the long hand or the minute hand. The long hand tells how many minutes after the hour. From 1 number 2 is 5 minutes. We count by 5 around the clock from 5 to 60. And 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. The short hand or the hour hand tells mainly the hour. Okay, so let's count the clock in minutes. So the 12 will be 0, the 1 will be 5, the 2 will be 10, the 3 will be 15, 4 is 20, 5 is 25, 6 is 30, 7 is 35, 8 is 40, 9 is 45, 10 is 50, 11 is 55, and the 12 is the 60. So therefore, in 1 hour, there is 60 minutes. So remember, we say a clock if the long hand is pointing at 6. So example, if it is 3 o'clock, so the hour is 3 and the long hand is on 12. So therefore, this is 3 o'clock. So for another example, if it's saying 7:30, so the hour is on 7 and the minutes is on 6. So let's count if it is 7:30. So 1 is 5, 2 is 10, 3 is 15, 4 is 20, 5 is 25, 6 is 30. So the time is 7:30. So in reading the time, we always read first the short hand or the hour hand, followed by the minute hand or the long hand. And we use the colon to separate the hour from the minutes. So for example, in the digital clock, so this is the hour and this is the minutes. And this symbol is the colon, and we use that to separate the hour from the minutes. So the 24 hours of the day are divided into two periods, the AM and the PM. And each period consists of 12 hours in total of 24 hours. So an AM starts at 12 midnight to 12 noon and PM starts at 12 noon to 12 midnight. And also, AM stands for morning and PM stands for afternoon. So do you get it, class? Okay, very good. I hope you understand our lesson for today. That's all. Thank you and God bless.